Hey guys, welcome back on this episode. Okay, this video will be maybe the one of the last videos I will do regarding G23s. The reason not because I don't want to do it, the reason because I had to go forward with the H22 Turbo project. So the future video will be for H22 Turbo, EG, and the other stuff. Okay, but first I want to just explain you, because this will help a lot. I want to explain you regarding the engine bracket here. So these are the engine bracket from, like I said, it's a CB7 Accord 1991 CB7 Accord. So if you can see here, the Accord have 4 hole. So this doesn't, but you can use, you have the perfect 3 hole what the F23 use. So you use the 3 perfect thread. So without modify nothing like you have to do in H22. So the CB7 just is a plug and play, 1, 2, 3, and you are perfect. So this one don't worry about, just one more, but the F23 do not require this one. So you will use all the 3 block thread. Say that, let's say, like I say, this F23 pump, this is a gear from H22, you have to remove, pull out, swap. These are the race from the balance shaft bearing tensioner. So I broken, so I put here, I have the perfect spacer, I put the stock nut, so we are good. Say that, we have the connecting pipe, F23 connecting pipe. See, now you can see, you have the bracket here on the block. So I cut around here, put the hose is gonna be the same size of the F23 pipe. So, and you have a little bit problem, you have to use a little bit oil or grease, whatever you want to use, because the connector, the pipe from the H22, it's bigger than the F23. So this will be a little bit pain to install. Make sure you eat a couple eggs, so you'll be nice and strong to install this one. Anyways, these are the F23, the connecting pipe. Okay, the main video is regarding the piston slap. So the piston slap, you see, you have a play. The piston slap when you have lots of play. So right now, because I win one end, so you see the play have. So this piston slap, it's because we have a K20 piston, if even R86, because of course the engine is Frankenstein, and you can have these kind of problems. So I would suggest 86.50 millimeters of a K20A2 pistons, or type R PRC or PRB, whatever you like to do. Type S piston, 86.6 rebore, and you calling the day. So this is what I want to, guys, give a quick update. Unfortunately, I will make less video, like I say, from G23. Like I say again, I repeat, I want to go forward here because here we have lots of work to do. So I ordered the rack pinion, so the power steering will be off. So I will remove all the lines, reservoirs. I will remove all the lines, everything. This one, the high pressure line, and I will change all the line with the Braden. I will pass nice clean, because I never been happy regarding this one. This is just temporary, just to make the car from my friend the place to here. And of course, engine mount will be changed. I have the red one. I hope it's not too soft, but I want to try because the car is shaking too much. These are 85A, too strong for a street car. For the clutch as well, I may put back the booster back because I don't like the feeling. Yes, the firewall look good, but I don't like the feeling when you brake. I want the brake when I push, the brake to respond. That's it. Another question, another thing. Please, guys, if you put the Skunk 2 H22 engine on EG, and put the Skunk 2 intake manifold, please do not dent the firewall. In Italy, for that, you go in jail. I know, in Italy, you go in jail to do something like that. Don't use hammer in the firewall. So what you have to do, just to move the proportional valve, remove, because the proportional valve was around here. Here is remove the stock filter. So put inline filter, fuel filter, put a little bit here, find your way, but don't touch the firewall, please. This is the macellaio job. Macellaio in Italian I mean butcher job. Okay, guys, mi raccomando, don't do stupidity, just do nice clean the job. and stay tuned. And here, and as well, stay tuned for the K22 I had to do to my friend Civic. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you still are not subscribed, please share, like, will help me so much. I want to grow up this channel, but I can grow up the channel just with your help. Without your help, I can go forward. Please like, subscribe, share, put a bell, do everything to help me. And for anything, please don't hesitate to comment if you need help for G23, H23 Turbo, whatever thing you need to know. Just a comment. I will do another video just for you guys. Whatever you guys need, just count with me. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.